This is Mike Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to your Butterscotch.com tutorial on how to use Yahoo services on your iPhone. Now, if you're a big user of Yahoo, you may be concerned that you can't get everything you want on your iPhone, and you'd be mistaken. So I've put a link in the show notes. Open up Safari on your iPhone, put that link in. It takes you to the mobile Yahoo site. It's very well rendered, looks very nice, brings you to a page like this. You can see you can get to Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Messenger. You can connect through Gmail, Facebook, MySpace. Then you also get your news, your finance, your entertainment, and sports. You can tap on Yahoo Mail. You can sign in with your ID and password, which then pulls in your other information. Under email, you can add not only Yahoo Mail, but Gmail, Microsoft Mail. You can add Yahoo Messenger. Under Social Pulse, you can add things like Bebo, Doppler, Facebook, Friendster, MySpace, Twitter, YouTube, and more. So this way you have access to all of these things directly through one interface provided by Yahoo. And it's very nicely done. You can go into add mail accounts and add Gmail, AOL Mail, Windows Live Hotmail, and have your Yahoo Mail. So this is a great way to add things to Yahoo, like your calendar. And if you make a mistake or you want to change something, you can reset, stay connected, and set it up again. So this is an excellent way to have all of your Yahoo services and more on your iPhone, and that's all there is to it.